Now let's talk about when this would be useful. Let's say that we want to know what is the antiderivative, and a few of you have asked about this at times. What is the antiderivative of the natural log of x? Well, at this moment in time, that sounds like a beautiful song. Okay, anyway. I'm sorry, that was a Lane song back in 20 years ago or so. But anyway.
What's the title of this?
This is integration by parts. Alright. We've got the integral of the natural log of x dx. Now, we don't know the antiderivative of that. But what we can do with this is we can pull out this information which says that we know that the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du. So from that, I'm going to define part of this as being u and part of this as being dv. Now, the part that I name as being u and the part that I name as being dv, part I name as being dv, I'm going to need to be able to anti-differentiate. And the part that I label as being u, I'm going to need to be able to differentiate. So, as far as the natural log of x is concerned, is that something that I can anti-differentiate, or is that something I can differentiate? I can differentiate it. So I'm going to let u equal to the natural log of x. And I'm going to let dv equal to just dx. Alright? So from that, if u equals to the natural log of x, then what does du equal? 1 over x dx? Are we okay with this? Alright. Now, if dv is equal to dx, then what would v equal to? X. Alright. So now I have a u, I have a v, I have a dv, and I have a du. So I'm going to fill those things into this formula up here. So, u is natural log of x. V is x minus v again is x, and du is what? 1 over x dx. Is there a question about that? Alright. So from that, on the left of the integral, I would have, well, yeah, just x times the natural log of x, right? Now, what do I have with that x times 1 over x? Just 1, right? So it would be dx. Alright, and what is the antiderivative of dx? X. So it becomes x times the natural log of x minus x plus a constant. So that would be the antiderivative of the natural log of x. See, wasn't it worth it coming to school today?
Wait. What happened to the left side? Did you just like...
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. What happened to the left side?
Is the left side, wouldn't that be natural log of x times x? So it'd be, you could actually do
What, you talking about over here?
Yeah.
That was u, which was the natural log of x. Dx was dv, right? But that was the original problem. So what I'm saying is the
Oh, okay.
the antiderivative of the original problem is equal to the u portion times the v portion minus the v portion times the du portion.
Oh, okay.
The derivative.
I thought it was that. I thought plugged in B instead of DG, so it was an X instead of a DX.
Are you good now?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.